What's a side hill goucher?
It's like a dog.
Okay.
It lives in the hills, eh? And it always walks around the hill to the right. So it always walks around to the right. So to balance itself, its left legs are shorter than the right leg. So that's then you walk around, and they're very mean animals, and I'll tell you why later, because they always walk around like this till they get to the top of the hill. And when they're at the top of the hill, just like here, they can't stand up straight because their left legs are shorter than their right. So they roll all the way back down. That really gets them mad, and that's why they're a very grouchy animal. They keep walking around the hills to the right. And we're called side hill gouchers.
Have you ever seen one?
Yeah, back in my younger days, I've seen quite a few.
Were you drunk?
Well, I just cannot, I cannot do things like this. I can't tell you stories like that. It's a true story, though. It's like the Sasquatch, Some people see him, some people don't.
Have you seen a Sasquatch?
Well, just the other day, your mother's seen Lassie out in the lake. That's like Oklahoma, only Lesser Slave Lake. Loch Ness Monster, and your grandmother did actually see it. Yes. Actually, it was Friday night. Now I can't remember before or after the wine, but she did actually see it. So anyway, that's the story of the Side Hill Gouchers. One day I'll tell you some more.